Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael right there. And
Howdy,
this is my
partners.
little kitchen here. So I was telling Michael earlier, I'm like, Michael, I think everybody, thanks for tuning in, like to watch me cutting my own stuff, you know? So I already cut the onion, designated onion that I was going to use for this. We're making picadillo.
That's right.
Picadillo is any other term for ground beef, cooked in red sauce, but Dominican style. We call it picadillo because a lot of people use raisins they might put in there. A lot of people put capers in there. Or they use, instead of the red vinegar, they use the juice of like pickle juice or from the capers and olives.
That's right.
I'm going to do it a different way because my family likes it different. So what I'm going to do, I took, it's like a pound of meat. And then I'm going to make this, we're going to serve it over. Why is my light not bright enough? We're going to serve it over white rice. So what we're doing here is I put everything together there. We're running out of oil, Michael. We got to get oil.
All right.
I put this on to hold my cell phone.
That's right.
Because you know how it is.
A waist strap.
That way I have my phone right there with me at all times.
Yes.
It is off, so it's not going to be ringing. So I just put like a little bit of oil, canola oil in there, and put the settings on the stove is totally on high. If you can look back here, you see that I have it on high. I don't know who pushed that over there. Probably the boys playing around. I don't know what's going on.
I am
in this
guilty.
house. You know, messing with my stuff. Anyway, don't put it back. You know,
Sorry
like
about
it's
that.
supposed to be. Okay, so this is what we got here. We got here a little piece of red onion. You guys saw the piece that I took off. See, that
Check.
piece missing. And I cut it and diced it in tiny little pieces. A bunch of cilantro and 1 clove of garlic.
That's right. Here are all the ingredients right
That's
here.
what we have there.
And also down below in the
serrano
description.
Pepper. Where's your serrano peppers? These are jalapenos.
Let's
and these
compare.
are serranos. Serranos are
So
little
that's
and
light
long.
green and that's dark
Well,
green.
they're long and skinny, the serranos.
And they're lighter.
And these are good, like for
Darker.
burgers, exactly, and stuff like that, sandwiches, whatever. So anyway, oh, be careful, Mike.
Oh, sorry, Teddy.
So
Careful,
I just
boy.
put the meat, so that's gonna take a little bit to start getting.
Come here,
out
Teddy.
there.
So everyone knows you're okay.
Yeah, Michael, stop messing with my dog, man. And then I'm gonna put like a whole, like two
Oh, Ginger's coming for some love.
bunches. When I say a bunch, this is what I mean by a bunch.
Wait,
Pay
let me
attention.
see.
Stop playing with the dogs, Mike.
I had to make sure they were
When I
okay.
say a bunch, this is a bunch for me.
All
So
right.
I use a bunch that I already put in there,
All right.
and a half.
And that's dried oregano.
That's the dried oregano. So
Check.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown this.
Mince it up, mince it up.
There's no, we're gonna brown this, and I'm gonna let you guys go, and in between, you guys are gonna see me, just mincing this with my spoon, and we're also that's not the only stuff that we're gonna be putting in. I'm gonna take everything out, because I'm gonna be putting in some pepper, some salt, okay? We're gonna be using some apple cider vinegar. Michael, pay attention, Michael, what are you doing? We're gonna be using some apple cider vinegar on that. I think I'm missing something, yes. We're gonna be using some cumin. So I want you guys to write down everything. I'm probably gonna be using of everything. 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, like a third cup of vinegar, apple cider vinegar for the sauce. We're gonna use 2 cans of tomato sauce, and that will be it. But let's see right here, let's come here. You can see that it's going, right? Yeah, so that means it's starting to, you can start to smell the difference. Can you, yes, Michael, or no?
That's right.
Tell people what you think and how this stuff smells. They should have like an app. They should have, somebody should come out with an app of smell that you can actually smell the food that somebody is cooking, even if you're not there, like, and automatically, like one of those apps that have different smells, smell of steak, of like bread, stuff like that. I mean, that would be something really cool to come up with. You know, just saying and putting it out there. And So I'm gonna let you guys go, and as this is brown, we'll come back. So don't forget to subscribe.
We're gonna make the rice
and follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm gonna be making some white rice because we're gonna be serving that over white rice. It's picadillo, and don't forget to subscribe and like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Google Plus, on Tumblr. Yes, aren't we everywhere?
Yes.
We're everywhere. Everywhere there's a thing. We are there, and we love you, and I'll see you in 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Okay, it's getting red and browning. I'm gonna add sauce now to it, okay? Tomato sauce with no salt or no seasoning. 2 small cans like this. Words of ketchup. I put a little bit more before, so like 4 tablespoons of ketchup and a little bit of sugar. So I'm gonna say a couple of tablespoons, because everything has sugar in it.
That's right.
I say 3. What do you think, Mike?
3 sounds good.
Right? So I'm gonna make it 4.
Make it 4.
Yeah. Okay. And 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. That's right.
Mix it up, mix it
Mix it
up.
up, mix it up, like Michael said. And that's next to Michael over there. Michael just put some rice on. See it? Made it all by himself. Making that rice, right, Michael?
That's right.
And now this, you saw everything that I put in from the beginning till now. Now what I'm gonna do with this is simmering. Okay? On low. I'm gonna taste. Wow, you guys are in for a
treat.
good treat, yep. Mama started going on with this. Lights on. It's boiling, as you can see, and cooking. We'll be right back. Thanks for coming back.
Hey.
So everything is done. My picadillo's done.
We are done. We are
The rice is done, and like I said, my kids, they like their rice a little bit, you know, like cold, not cold, but not that grainy. You know, like they like it grainy, but they like a little bit like this more. So this one is gonna be for Michael.
That's right. Oh, looks so good. I haven't had rice in a couple months.
You eat more rice, my son.
That's right.
Rice is good for you. What happened to my lid? It's missing like a piece, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Looks like somebody smashed it, right, Mike?
Smashed it up,
You wouldn't
smashed
wanna do that to my
it
quarter.
up. Good
You know?
question.
I mean, that's like one of my favorite calderos. And this is my pipiana.
Pico de gallo?
Pico de gallo. This is a picadillo.
Picadillo.
Means ground beef in Spanish.
Ah.
Carne molida or picadillo. And they say picadillo because the size of the onions that we put in is come out to the same size of the ground beef, the same size of the garlic that we chopped, the
That's
same
right.
size of the cilantro.
Look how little that
So
is.
that's why it's picadillo. So then this, we're going to take it and we're going to put it over that delicious white rice like that. You want another spoonful, Mike? Yes. There you go. And this is going to be for
me.
Michael.
That's right.
I wish I can eat this. Of course I can, like always. And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, take pictures with and doing that, Michael, if you want to.
Oh yeah.
Want to do that? Yes, take pictures of that. And with that, I'm gonna remember to subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
And press on the that bell so you can be
like us on
notified
Instagram
every
and
time
Facebook.
we do these, and like us on Instagram and on Twitter, and like us on Facebook and on Google Plus, and what's the name of that other thing that Pinterest. And also you can go down to our link for dog food for your puppies and pets that you have in your house. It's called lifesabundance.com/for-all. If you go to that link, it will take you directly to the products and the food for our little partners in life. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like us. And again, if you want to try this picadillo, you can go ahead. Michael, you're going to take a thing or what? Take some pictures with that? Take some pictures with that.
I already did.
Okay, because we need... I'm going to go with the camera around, okay, guys?
You guys know the drill.
There you go.
I think
This
this is gonna
week
be
is
the
one
new
Mike
way
gotta
we.
taste.
Are we gonna do this videos now this
Yeah,
way?
because we need you to taste
We
that.
should.
Let me see you putting that in your mouth and swallowing that.
By the
Mike.
way,
Was
guys.
that good? How is that, Mike?
Delicious.
Michael said it's delicious. So,
on. With the
go ahead. There you go.
You see the rice?
Mm-hmm. Now tell me how everything is. That looks really, really nice. You like that? Okay. So with that, guys, we're gonna let you guys know. You guys know what to do. I don't know how I have this sideways or whatever. But with that, bye, guys. Love you all. It's Friday night. Don't drink and drive. Have a nice weekend.